Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. A few days ago, I uploaded a question sticker on my Instagram story and asked you all to send me your cabin crew related questions and any kind of doubt. And however, I received so many amazing questions, and today I'm going to answer the most frequently asked one. And if your question doesn't appear in this video, don't worry because I will definitely make a part 2. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, the very first question is cabin crew के लिए कौन सा institute join करूं? This is probably the question I get asked the most. My answer is like very simple. You don't need to join any aviation institute to become a cabin crew. Many students think that if we don't join any institute, they won't get selected. But that's not true. Airlines never ask which institute you have been studied from. They only check your communication skills, confidence, personality, grooming, customer service skills, and your overall interview performance. That's it. If you are preparing with the right guidance and practicing continuously, you can definitely crack the interview without spending lakhs of rupees on any institute. So instead of investing money in the expensive institute, invest your time in improving your English, communication skills, confidence, and personality. That's it. And there is one more question, that is, there are so many institutes have given you the placement. So let me clear this point also, that like aviation is not any college. Nobody will give you the placement for that. The main thing is that you have to give your interview. First you have to crack the interview. So there is no meaning of like placement in the aviation industry. So yes, the next question is आप कौन सी job करती हैं? So I have received this question for like so many people. So let me clear this once and for all of you. At this moment, I'm not working because I have recently been selected as a cabin crew with Air India. And right now I'm waiting for my training to begin. Once my training starts and I successfully complete it, I will officially begin my career as a cabin crew. And honestly, I am super excited because becoming a cabin crew has always been my dream, and finally achieving it feels amazing. So during my training, I will learn everything about aircraft safety, emergency procedures, first aid, customer service, grooming standards, and many other important things. And don't worry, I will share my flying experience and like every experience with you all through my YouTube channel and Instagram both. So let's come to the question 3, that is, which airline is conducting walk-in interviews in Kolkata? So at present, no airline has officially announced a walk-in interviews in Kolkata, and whenever any airline opens a walk-in interview there, I will definitely update you on my Instagram as well as on my YouTube channel. So make sure you have following me or subscribing me so you don't miss any hiring updates. And let's come to the question 4, that is, preparation से selection तक का सफर कैसा रहा? So this journey wasn't easy at all. Like many of you, I also faced so many rejection and self-doubt and difficult days. And there were like times when I thought maybe this profession wasn't for me. Like I was thinking like this hell. But instead of giving up, I kept improving. After every interview, I work on my communication skills, English, that's grooming, confidence, body language, and interview answers. So what I can say, every rejection taught me something new, and finally all that hard work paid off when I got selected. So if you are getting rejected right now, don't lose hope. Please don't lose your hope, and your selection may be just one interview away. So please kept giving your interview. And if I talk about my experience when I gave my last interview with Air India, and this is my first interview as well with the Air India, and that day I was like maybe I won't got selected there, and I was so demotivated. But I was like कि चलो एक interview दे के देखते हैं, and that's how I cleared my interview, and this is how my journey looked like. Let's come to the 5th question, that is, scar checking in Air India. And this is like another very common question. So during the medical process, they usually check your face, your neck, your hands, and other visible areas of your body. And they also check your legs. From my personal experience, minor scars on the legs are like generally not given much importance if they are not so noticeable. However, if I talk about the visible scars on the exposed area, like on the face and your hand, may be checked more carefully. So don't reject yourself before attending the interview. So go confidently and let the airline decide. Now let's come to the sixth question, that is, दीदी इंटरव्यू के बाद ट्रेनिंग में क्या सिखाया पढ़ाया जाता है और कितना डिपॉजिट देना होता है? So, after you got selected, the next step is training. So, the training is one of the most important part of becoming a cabin crew, because there is where you are prepared for like real flights. And during training, you will learn aircraft safety, emergency procedures, first aid, firefighting, dangerous codes, aviation security, customer service, grooming standards, service procedures, and many other important subjects. There are like lots of things. The training is disciplined and professional because passenger safety is always the airline first priority. So now, talking about the security deposit for Air India, the current training security deposit is approximately 55,000. So please keep in your mind that airline policies may change in the future. So always verify the latest information from the airline. Okay. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, जो अभी इंडिगो की तरफ से वैकेंसी चल रही है उसका फुल प्रोसेस बताओ कि मेल कब तक आता है सेलेक्ट होने के बाद. Okay, so many candidates are confused about the current Indigo requirement process. So let me clear it like step by step. First, visit the Indigo Careers website and go to hiring event section and then select cabin crew section. Apply for the city where you want to attend the interview. It's totally up to you. You have to check like they are hiring in that city or not. And after applying, you won't immediately receive any interview email. So for the current hiring process, you have to first need to complete an online assessment through the Unstop platform. You will find a play button there. So start your assessment once you successfully clear the assessment and your profile is got like shortlisted. The requirement team will contact you through email. They will send you a mail for like face-to-face interview. So like there is no fixed timeline. Some candidates receive the email within a few days. Like I also received the mail in few days, but while others may have to wait for a little longer. So keep checking your register email regularly. And when you clear your like online assessment, you have to go for the face-to-face interview. Okay. So that's it for today's question answer video, and I hope I was able to answer some of your most common cabin crew interview questions. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, this is not end. I still have lots of unanswered questions from Instagram. So part 2 is definitely coming very soon, and in that video I will share even more of your doubts and share more tips related to like cabin crew interviews and airline requirements. So make sure you also follow me on Instagram. So I will again use that sticker and you can drop your questions. And don't forget to like on your notification bell so you will not miss the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep believing in yourself, keep preparing, and I will see you in the next part.